Hello everybody, my name is Yuri, and today I want to show you one more generic inquiry generator feature. So I want to show you very interesting prompt. So let's say I click on advanced, and here I type something like this. I'm typing here, give me cash balances for the last 24 months, month by month. Make sure that columns of data would be represented as months of column headers. Why I have 24 months? Main reason is because this is 25R2 Acumatica instance, and data is a bit outdated. Yeah, and I'm clicking on the button generate GIQL. And since customization was published, we have this message of rebuilding cache. And again, my expectation is that I will get generic inquiry, which will show cache balances and cache accounts with column headers of months. And my team will make print, and I will show you later final result. So as you can see, first attempt failed because we get some error message, and we had 3 issues. And as you can see here, we had a validation of what kind of syntax is generated, and we added to GIQL some validations, and second attempt went, and now we have second attempt. As you can see here, we have even third attempt, and yeah, attempt 2 of 5 rejected before being placed on the screen. Why? Because some errors been generated. Yeah, like only full entity name is allowed for alias declaration. And here we go. So it took 3 attempts in order to generate proper generic inquiry. And let's see how the data looks like. So here you can see headers, yeah, and you can see current months, 1 month ago, 2 months ago, and so on. So basically whole 24 months of cash, and basically bank accounts, what it was, and so on. How cool is that? If you want to try this, if you want to participate in this pilot project, drop me a message. Thanks.